Because the next number is, nako, mahirap ng sapatos. Magpaano na. Wala kaya, isang linggo na itong medyas ko, laban-laba hanggang ngayon. Teka. Ladies and gentlemen, this time is with the audience. This is a song of Harry Belafonte. Walang iya, humingal yung matanda. Harry Belafonte. And you will sing with me. When I sing Matilda, everybody sing Matilda. If I go down and you don't sing Matilda, if you're a man, I will kiss you lips to lips. No, don't be happy, don't be happy. Because if I kiss you, you will not last for 24 hours, okay? So you better enjoy the song. Okay, guys. Yo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? I don't want you to... Huwag kang ang lubo dyan. Dukduk ka ng dukduk dyan eh. You know these guys, that's why their wives separated them. Look at their faces. Yeah, I told them, even if you are 70, you are 60, you are 80, stand up like a man, like that. Show the woman that you can play the bass. Like that. Hindi naka, yung gitarista, nakagano na lang eh. Your wife will divorce you in a minute. Divorce. Alam mo naman dito sa Amerika, kinakain dito, divorce. Kaya kung pagkain kinakain dito, divorce eh. Okay, now you are answering me. Play it again. Tadatutut. Okay, thank you. Okay, let me see the drum. The drum is Tagalog. You know, before Robin Tagalog, that's the sun. But look at the face of the sun. It's like the son of a gun. Okay. Okay, stop. Now, I want everything moving, huh? I don't want dead here on the stage because this is not funeral. This is stage. Okay. Go. Doon yung sa Matilda, please. Kinig na kaya. Ulitin natin. Deo! Pendejo! Kailangan ko manawa na buho. Teka. Wait a minute. Is this guy's... bayad ba ito mga ito? Binabayaran ba ito? Parang galit sila eh. Why? You don't like ugly singers? Papatayin kita dyan, Tagalog. Abusado ito sa Tagalog eh. Basta bagit ang singer, hinampas ang drum na gano'n. What is this? You know when the singer is ugly, he beat the drum so hard like that, just like he's gonna kill me. Kill me now! Okay, you want to kill me? Okay. Oh my God. Very good boy. Message na parang na ano siya eh. Parang masyado siyang bumuka eh. Alam mo naman mga balabi ka mga itim, gaganon eh. This Caribbean disco show, work all night and drink around.